Hi folks, Robert here again with more Revit training, and today we're going to look at something a little different here, and we're going to feature basically you've got these mobile carts that they use in certain areas, probably at sports arenas or outdoor venues. Like this is at probably in Colorado, somewhere out of mountains, and you have these carts that they make now. So what I've done here, I'm going to just break that down. I've got one going here that I've sort of started here. Look at this in 3D. And I want to I want you to have a look at these families that I picked up. I've got these from, where is it? What's this? Brenton Whiteberg, and he's got a sale going on now. This is Revit Family Biz. Pretty good website, and families are really good. So I would urge you to go out and grab them. I got me the modern family, so I'm gonna go back to my model here. And so what I've got here, I got the modern cabinet. So what I've got going here is I'm recreating one of those sites or mobile carts, and these families really work well for this. Um, I'm right now working on an island in the center. Should have started this from the beginning so you guys can see it. But anyway, just to give you an idea, these families are very good. I select, this is the, let me just go in here and select one. These families here, that's the base top. So I'm going to go in a wireframe here. You can see what's happening here. So theirs was overlay 36 height and 24 depth. I sort of made all these that size. And then if you edit this type here, you can see you got these where you can duplicate them and change the sizes of them and everything. So I'm going to just briefly start another one for you guys so you can see how these work. I'm going to cancel out of that and say I'm going to go. Let me just put my island in here if I can find one right quick. Let's go insert. I'm going to load the family from here, and I'm using the overlay cabinets. There's the sink there. If I can find the countertop for my island there. It's got a lot of good things here. Let me just go up a notch here. Here we go, countertop. Okay. I'll go to my architecture component, place component. Now that's not quite the one I need. I'm gonna see if I can just find an island, or I can just place something there. But anyway, what's good about these? So I've got these openings here, and I'm gonna just drop a section through here just to close this off, because from the picture, I mean, these really come in handy because they're very flexible. So if I look in this view, let's go open this section up here. I've got a gap in here, and let's just make this fine. I've done a lot of projects with these families. Thanks, Brenton. They really come in handy. So I'm gonna I'm gonna delete that, and then I'm gonna measure this distance across, and that's gonna be 3 feet 8. So I'm gonna edit this type. There's the width on top. So I'm going to edit this type. I'm going to duplicate it. Okay, I like how he did these 36 high, 24 deep. So basically, since he did it that way, which is good, I can just go, and I don't know if this is going to affect. No, might not be an instance. I'm going to just cancel this, and I'm going to just do this. I'm going to just align this. To that cabinet from there. Okay, that's good. So let's go look at our plan view. Probably would do, oops, sorry guys, there's something else I'm working on. Kiosk, so here we go. So we got that there. Let's flip this around, do the other side. or we could have mirrored it. Easy, this is easy. And I want to change the countertop now. Let me go back in the hidden line, because just in color so we can see what's going on. So there's our countertop, and I'm going to just drag it over. Well, I think I can align that as well, the way he built these families, which is very nice. Yeah, great. I love it. So this is going to be our entry, and then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. It's not exactly like that. Yeah, here I'm going to remove one of these, and then I'll just align this with this side. Great. I mean, these families are excellent. He's got a whole variety of different families, so I suggest you should go out there and grab these. I bought these a couple of years ago, and like I said, I've done a lot of projects with these. I could show you some of them, but I might have an NDA with some of my clients. They don't want to show their properties, but I've used this in many of my projects I've done because they really come in handy. So there's our base, and then you could dimension this out. So now I might do another island from somewhere else, maybe the Autodesk island, because I did not use the, let me see here. So there's our cabinet spaces. So I might want to fix this on this end and create an opening here. So, you know, this is like it could be a bar or anything, and then you set items on top and people come around, and this is going to have wheels, of course. So I'm going to have to put some wheels under there or something that shows that it's mobile. And then here I'm going to go back into the level 1 here. And let me see how much space do we have here. I need at least minimum of 3 feet. And wow, we need a lot more space there. So I'm going to go into this view here. I'm going to rotate this. But yeah, I would suggest you go to this website, Revit Family Biz. There, just go Revit Family Biz, and he's got, like I said, he's got free downloads. I mean, he didn't ask me to do this. I'm just doing it because I've used them, and they're very, very handy. And he sends me emails a lot based on the sales he's got going on. See, there's another nice one. So, very nice website. I would go check it out, all of my subscribers, and get you a package from him. I got one, and I'm very happy with it. So let me fix this here now. Let's see. I'm going to make this, what we got here. We need, so basically the way he built these families, he made, I would say these, yeah, these are, okay, these are instance parameters, the width, which is great. So here, I might want to just align the two because I kind of want to like this, so I want to just center this off. So I'm going to just drop a line here, just a regular line. Come on now, just give me a detail line, right? Let's just do this. Being lazy, guys, but anyway, I just wanted to show you how to do this. Use these families because I've been using them for a couple of years now, and they're really, really nice. So I'm going to line from here. Yep. I'm going to go from there one to there. So I have a nice big draw space. So this should, I actually think this should be an open space because we don't really know what's going in here. So now I'm going to do the cover. So I'm going to my second level here. And this could be almost anything. So I've got some wood here, and there's 4-foot dimension lumber. And then I'm going to just go place a roof on top of this. Just a simple roof, flat roof. Let's just go, yeah, roof. That's a flat roof here. Overhang, let's do like maybe a 1-foot overhang here or something. And I want a slope here, so I'm going to just go and, okay, 1 second here. Sorry, guys. Let's just do a roof sort of like this. Let's just play this by ear for now. Let's see. I'm gonna just see what we're working with now for now. And we don't want that. Or we could have a roof like that. But no, we don't. So I'm gonna go back into my level 2. I'm gonna select this guy, and I don't want any. Edit this. Okay, plumb roof slope. I don't want any slope here, so I'm gonna select this, and I'm gonna no slope there. I don't want a slope there. None there. None there. Okay, now I might want to do an overhang here. Let me finish that. Let's see what we're looking at now. So that's a little better. Then we can get us some material. And then I need to put wheels on here. Let me make this, let me edit this type here. I don't want it that thick. Edit type. I just want to maybe an inch of this. Duplicate. Let's say 2 inches. Let's say generic 2-inch roof. Well, I can give it a type, but I'm going to finish this up. I'm going to go okay. Uh-oh. Got to change the properties here. Change that to 2 inches. But hey, folks, I just wanted to show you these families. I think he's doing some good thing at Revit Family Biz. So this is going to be my mobile cart that I'm working with for now. And okay, I need to fix this up here. And then these are probably going to be open spaces. And then, you know, after this is done, they will probably create a drawing. Let me see, go back to level 1. I'm going to align this. Just going to align these here. Uh-oh, we got to get in here some kind of way. My bad. So let's fix this opening here. I want to just, actually, let's go into this view. And I'm going to make this one, let's go to width here. Okay, so the width is an instance, so that's good. So I'm going to push this. What's this distance here? Let's see. I think that's our 3 feet right there. Actually, it is. So I'm going to just remove this one. Slide that over there. Uh-oh. So that's sticking. So I'm going to unlock that and bring that over there. And then there's our opening, which is going to be about 3 feet roughly. Okay, so I'm going to add another 5 inches to this, just to be a little more uniform. So we go with there. But these families are great. He's got a whole variety of them. Like I said, I got these a year or 2 ago, well, maybe 3 years ago, and I've had great success. So there's our mobile cart. Probably need to make some adjustments over here. He's got the sink here, and let's drop a few items in here just for show. You got microwave, so let me go back into my level 1 and bring in a microwave oven, maybe stick it somewhere. Insert, load family. You got materials, cabinets. You got the double doors. So I've done a lot of kitchens. I may bring a video in and show you some of the kitchens I've done. But I've done a lot of, kitchens that are in mansions, actually. So let's go in this drawer. Let's do the microwave with the drawers in it. We want the 36 by 24. Okay. upgrading. I can even, wow. But hey guys, I'm just gonna finish this, add a few more items, but this is Revit Family Biz. I suggest you go out there and check out what he's got, especially for interior designers, people that are doing kitchens. I've done a lot of kitchens, and now I'm getting into this mobile cart industry because it's very good. They also do kiosks. So I'm going to go in here and add this one in. There's microwave. I'll just drop that right there. Yeah, I'll drop it right there, make some adjustments over here. Which is the great thing is, see, I can just grab this. I can just grab this cabinet and slide it over. Let me get my 3 feet right here. Just 3 if I can. Wow, beautiful. I love these families, man. They're great. So, okay, now we need to fix this. This is an Autodesk countertop. And there you go. You might want to do something a little different on the roof, but that's similar to what we had in the image. Not quite, but close. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. And again, check out these families, man. They're really good. Revit Family Biz. Next video, I'm going to probably add more detail to this and create drawings. And then I need my island here. So, hey, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next video. Everybody be safe. Please subscribe. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.